Hello and welcome back to the Cole's channel. My name is Brigette. Sometimes I'm behind the camera. Today I'm in front of it, saying hi to some of my fan favorites. Thanks for your encouraging words.
This is our 30th episode.
My goodness, how do we celebrate? We're real party goers. It's our 30th episode, and we should have gone live with it. Let's just go live now.
We're not going live.
Woo! Zoom in. I'm seeing elephants. I'm already at threat level orange. First up, little poly blend elephant shirt. Next, we have black dress with tab sleeves. This is a black sweater in floral colors that I have said don't send me maroons and pinks, so they sent me maroons and pinks. Your mom got this jacket.
Did she?
Yeah.
It's a good wait for spring.
We tried again with a gray denim pant.
Hold up that hem. What does that look like?
It's a moth hem.
Well, let's get you into the first outfit and see how it goes.
Let's do it. So let's go. We've got the first three pieces. I'm wearing them as my stylist Kenzie suggested. This is the Market and Spruce. It's an olive. It's just a lightweight trench. It has a tab sleeve with a really nice tortoiseshell button, but when I take it down, it's a good length. This is a super, super soft material at the arms. It's kind of like a felted sweatshirt material, and then here it's more of canvas. It has actual pockets on both the breast and at the hip. It's got this little tie here, which I don't like, but it does give a cute shape to it. Like, it's not a boxy shape, so it almost has like a vintage army jacket feel to it. So the jacket is lined in a cute black and white polka dot. The jacket's cute, but it just doesn't feel like it's me.
Underneath the jacket, Brigette has on the Pixley Ellie printed 3/4 sleeve blouse.
Your basic Stitch Fix 3/4 tab sleeve poly shirt with a print on it. There's really no detail in the back. It's just simple, but at the same time it does have a scalloped edge on it, so it scoops up a little bit, so it does give shape versus being boxy.
The silhouette of it is cute on you. It looks
I like the silhouette.
Easy to wear. What's the pit quotient on this shirt?
We're starting. Pit countdown. If this was a different print, I probably would like this. And I'm going to be a little Gen X millennial crossover. It feels a little culturally appropriative. Yeah, I don't know if it's because it's the elephants and I think of like, you know, little Tibetan stores or, you know, little shops in Sri Lanka or something. But I don't know. It just feels like somebody's gonna wear this on vacation on a cruise ship.
On the bottom, Brigette is wearing the blank NYC Riley scissor cut hem skinny jean.
I usually think I hate a moth hem, and it's typically because when I see it, it's completely destroyed. Like, there's not a straight edge on it. It's like just, you know. But these, the moth hem is a little fashion forward right now, but it's not too much. I don't feel like I'd put these on. It looks like I'm trying too hard in them. They're hitting in the right place. There's a lot of stretch in them, and the whiskering and the fading and distressing, it's balanced. It's in the right places. So the pocket situation is we have a 3/4 lady pocket.
I would call it a 1/3.
I'm bad with numbers. A full pockets in the back. How's the booty lift technology?
I don't know if we're lifting. The pockets are a little low on the booty.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
A little bit low on the booty. Back. Brigitte's modeling the 4th item from the box. This is the Daniel Rain Lina crew neck pullover.
This is really comfortable. It's got a little bit of a ribbed sleeve, as well as a little bit of a ribbed band, but it's not super tight. I really like how this fits. It's long, but not too long. It's not really baggy anywhere.
So we got the flowers on the front, and then can you turn around again? Little flower on the sleeve, and continuing on to the back.
It's definitely not a boat neck, but it gives room if you wanted to have some jewelry. Yeah, if it didn't have these flowers, I would love it.
Well, Mackenzie thought they would look nice with your hair.
Well, of course. I mean, everything's going to look good with my hair.
Brigitte's back and about to show us a little leg in this French gray Murphy brushed knit dress.
So here we have some tab sleeves from Stitches. I mean, you know, when you have great ink, who doesn't want tab sleeves? So the length appears to hit just below my knee in the front. And then in the back, it's a different story. It rides up. I don't know if it's because I've got some booty or what, but it's a really nice material, like your legging, your yoga pant. It's clingy. This could become like your weekend little black dress for you to just grab a bag and your jean jacket and you don't have to think about things. It needs some accessorizing in order to actually make it work. It feels awkward on me right now. I mean, it can work, but like I said, is it going to keep doing this when I'm at the farmer's market? Because what's going on? If I don't like it, in the bag. And if I like it, we can rip some tags off and add it to my collection. So let's start with the jacket.
It is $88.
Okay. Well, that's a little bit out of my price range, as well as I don't really like the drawstring thing happening. So that
In the
one's
bag.
gonna go back in the bag so they can make somebody else happy. Up next. This is a little black dress for the weekend. Dress it up, dress it down. Well, this one's gonna go back in the bag. Speaking of forgetting, just can't get past the florals.
In the bag.
In the bag. I just can't get past the print. I think it fits me really nicely. Can't do it.
It's going in the bag.
It's going in the bag. I didn't want to take these off. In fact, when we were gonna wrap it up, I was just gonna come out in these. They are a moth hem, but it's more like a carpenter ant hem. Like they really took their time and gave a very precision chew. Like versus just like all the moths swarming at it and it like ripping up here and distressing over here. I'm gonna keep these jeans.
Untagged.
Untagged. I got nothing against elephants. I think they're awesome. They're smart. They have a wonderful connection with the mama elf and the baby elephant. What? I watch a lot of National Geographic.
Aren't elephants pregnant for like 2 years or something?
I would assume so, because
Or they have like a really long childhood.
you gotta really prepare yourself to pop that out. You want a good 1.5 years, 2 years.
Prepare your mind.
Yeah, because that's coming out. So that would be like us trying to pass award-winning king pumpkins versus watermelons. So like,
Yeah.
versus,
Enough said.
yeah, okay.